All right. What's up, guys? Hope y'all had a good day of trading. Hope y'all had a good weekend, and all that good stuff, man. Listen, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for the new subscribers that came onto the channel. I hope y'all find some value in some of the things that I'm saying, and I hope that we can just grow as a community and help each other out. But anyway. So the agenda for today, I'm going to talk about the market, kind of where I see the market going, and then after that, I'm going to get into Tesla, and we're going to talk about where we see Tesla going from here, I guess. All right, so with no further ado, let's get into it. I'm on SPX, guys. I'm on the 1 hour chart. That's probably my favorite time frame to look at. But yeah, I'm on the 1 hour chart. So what do we see, guys? You see this blue line here that I've had drawn out for I think since last week. Oh, and last week I did, what I said that we were kind of looking to pull back, and what are we seeing? We're kind of seeing a pullback. We rallied up for a while, and it was only right for us to get a pullback now. So guys, when you get a pullback, the pullback is normally about 50% of the actual move. So if I were to draw this out, you guys see we rallied from here all the way to there, and you see 50%, somewhere in this area here that we are actually approaching. And maybe you might say we're already in that 50% area. So we should be looking to retrace. Now, I had this blue line here, like I was saying. This is 4,010, very important level. This is also a level, should be a level of support for us. So at the very worst, I think I see us maybe breaking a little bit below 4,010, and then maybe going back up, or maybe we hit 4,010 and we go up. But I do see us kind of coming down to this 4,010 area, and then possibly making that lower low here, or higher low, I'm sorry, and then making that move back up to go higher, right? So I do see that happening, guys. This is textbook. This is really not anything that we were shocked about. This is not anything to be shocked about, should I say. This was expected. I mean, we had a nice run, and stocks don't go up, forever. So we had to get a pullback. So we're getting that pullback now. And like I said, we hit 4,010. Hopefully we can use that as support, bounce off of that, and head higher. Now let's go to Tesla and let's look and see what we're seeing with Tesla. Tesla's looking a little bit interesting here. I don't like the slope of this curvature here. You see, this little piece here. I don't like how steep this is, right? Normally when I see my EMA, this yellow line is the 8 EMA. So normally when I see an EMA and I see a slope like that, that's really not a good sign, because that means that it has some momentum, and it's going, I guess it dropped pretty nicely today. We're down 6% today. Not a bad day. Not an abnormal negative day for Tesla, but nice drop. Again, we are almost about 50% pulling back at the 50% mark of this rally. Maybe not really. No. Let me take that back, because this rally started here. So we started here and we went all the way up here. So 50% would be probably in this 160 area, right? So you see this red line here. I actually drew this last week because I saw that as a resistance, and so I'll extend that out here. We'll extend that out. So 50%, honestly, guys, is probably at this 160 mark. So to be honest, Tesla probably has some more room to drop. It's a good possibility we'll see Tesla drop into this week. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe it'll reach this all the way down here tomorrow. Maybe not. Maybe it'll take, the week for it to get there. I don't know, but we're looking at about 160. If it gets really bad, we probably will come and fill this gap over here. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a little bitty gap right there. So at the very least, we can possibly come back and pull back to that gap. Maybe drop just very little below that, and then kind of bounce somewhere in this zone and start to go back up. That's what we are possibly can see. The only thing I can see throwing a monkey wrench into this is the Fed meeting. And the Fed meeting is, let's find out. I actually don't know when the Fed meeting is. So let's see. Today is the 30th. It's Wednesday. Yep, 2:30 Eastern. Fed Chair Jerome Powell news conference 2:30 on Wednesday, guys. So we're looking at Wednesday for the Fed meeting. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. If Jerome Powell gets on there and he's hawkish, he can send the market down, and then Tesla, I think will go down with it. But if he comes in and he has good words, maybe more dovish, bullish, I think we'll be okay. We'll see maybe a drop going into tomorrow, and then if he's bullish, man, Wednesday we could see this thing pop right back up. So it's just going to depend on what he comes out and says. I think it's going to be very important for the market in general on what he has to say, what the guidance is, what the number is for the hike, the rate hike. That's going to be very, very important, I think, for the continuation of this bullish trend, guys. I really believe we are going back to our bull market, guys. But like I said, just depends on Fed Chair Jerome Powell. If he says something good, we're good. We're going to continue this bullish trend. But he definitely has the power to stop this bullish trend and turn this thing back around. Which honestly, in my opinion, I don't think that he will. I think, like I said in previous videos, I think that we have seen probably one of the longest bear markets in a while, but also with that, we're seeing that inflation is starting to decrease. We've seen it. We have numbers to back that up, and so that means that they have been doing their job. When those hikes that they've been doing have been working, and so obviously we know they're not going to stop, but we think that the number would be less than what it normally has been. I think some people are saying 0.25. I think some people are saying 0.5. But I do think either way, either number, I think we should be okay. I think 0.25 obviously would be a little bit better for the market. If we get a 0.5, maybe that might hurt us a little bit, but anything more than that, obviously the market will tank, and we probably will be out of this bullish trend. It'll be short-lived. But I'm rambling right now, guys, so I just want to say those few things. Thank you guys for rocking with me, man. Thank you for all of the subscribers, the views. Guys, leave me a comment if you want to see me do a video on something else, options, futures, whatever. I was thinking about doing a video on futures because I kind of got into that past few months, and I really like it. So I don't know. I may do some future content in the future. How about that? But right now, I'm kind of just sticking with the Tesla analysis. But if y'all want to see other stuff, just let me know. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. I really appreciate it. Until next time. Peace.